This is TCL 50 SE, and today I would like to share a few useful camera tips and tricks on this device. So first, let's go ahead and launch the camera app. So in order to begin, let me show how you can take high resolution photos. So first let me take a regular picture. And now if you would like to increase the resolution of the pictures you are capturing, just open the settings and switch on the high pixel. Now let me take the exact same picture, but this time in the 50 megapixels mode, and then we'll go ahead and compare them. So here is the regular photo, that's how far I can zoom in, and here is the photo that has been taken with the high pixel or high definition. Now the regular photos resolution is 3K by 4K, and the high res is going to be 6K by 8K, so the resolution increased twofold pretty much. Even though the high res photos occupy more storage space, the amount of details it retains is worth it, if you ask me. Moving on, another interesting mode you might have missed is called the Camera Pro mode, and while in the Camera Pro mode you can manually adjust the most crucial camera parameters such as the ISO value, the shutter speed, the exposure value, the white balance, and focus distance. So if you are not satisfied with how the camera treating those properties automatically, you can always set those preferences manually, if you are up for the job, of course. Then, if you'll go into the settings of the camera, you can also switch on the AI scene detection option, and once enabled, it simply uses more post-processing to optimize your camera properties even more. So that's how it works. And then if you'll go into settings once again, you'll also find a very useful quick snap option. Once enabled, it allows you to take pictures once the screen is switched off, and in order to do that, simply press the volume down button twice. You will feel slight vibration, which will identify or which will tell you that the picture has been taken. And now if we'll go into the photos gallery, we'll find this very picture that I have just taken. Here it is. So you can conceal yourself and take pictures without unlocking your screen even. So that's a very handy option if you ask me. And well, as far as the video goes, that will be more or less it, more or less everything I wanted to cover. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.